Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a system font style on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to change the whole font system on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on, scroll it down until you find the option of fonts here. So here you have to simply select system fonts. Now here you have to simply look for the fonts you want to use. So if it is not downloaded, then you can simply download that fonts, and you have to simply click on that. And after downloading the fonts, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply click on accessibility, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of accessories. So here you have to simply click on keyboard and typing. So here you have to simply make sure that you turn on this hover typing option. So here you can simply turn this on, and after turning this on, you have to simply go back. Now if you want to check whether that font is available for you or not, then you have to simply go back and open any kind of typing app. And so here you have to simply go to that, and here you have to simply type any kind of text. So here you can simply see that that fonts will be available here. So in this method, you can simply only change the fonts of hover keyboard, and if you want to change hold the system keyboard, then you have to simply wait for some time, because these options are not available still yet. So you can simply cannot change the whole system font, but you can simply change the hover keyboard font style on iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.